Hi friends, today we'll make a delicious and healthy breakfast with just 1 cup of ragi flour and 1 cup of leftover rice. So for that we'll take 1 cup of ragi flour into a mixer jar and 1 cup of leftover rice, cooked rice. Into this we'll add salt to taste. Now we'll run the mixer for just 2 or 3 seconds. After that, if required, we can just give it a mix with a spoon and then again run the mixer for about 2 to 3 seconds. Now it's well combined and this should be the consistency. Now for side dish I'm making egg roast. Now we'll keep a pressure cooker on the stove with some water. That is for steaming the puttu. Here I'm making ragi puttu. So when we take the mix and hold it, it should hold. First take some coconut and then take the ragi and rice mix and we'll keep it on the pressure cooker nozzle when the steam starts coming through the nozzle. After that we can cover it with a lid and then wait for about 3 minutes. By 3 minutes our ragi puttu will be ready. It will be firm to touch on top and it will easily come out of the coconut shell. So now our ragi puttu is ready. I served it with egg roast and bananas. It is so soft and delicious and very healthy and it's so easy to make. Do try the recipe. If you like the recipe, please don't forget to press the like button and also leave a comment. Thank you for watching. Bye.